Welcome to Yoga Nidra, to reset your nervous system. Getting yourself as comfortable as you'd like. Maybe you want to be on your back or taking a partially reclined position. If you want to place a pillow under your head or your knees, to make yourself as comfortable as possible. You can dim your lights, getting any essential oils if you'd like, preparing your space for a reset of your nervous system. When you're ready, softly close or lower your eyes, noticing the parts of your body that are touching the surface that you're upon. Maybe the backs of your heels, the back of your arms, the back of your legs, the back of your body. Taking a breath in through your nose. As you exhale, settle into your body, into this moment of relaxation. To relax your nervous system even more, breathe slowly in through your nose and exhale slowly either out through your mouth or out through your nose. Slowly breathing in through your nose helps to relax your nervous system. Slowly breathing out through your nose starts to slow your heart rhythm down. Taking a couple of more breaths on your own, breathing in slowly and exhaling slowly. As your body starts to soften, we'll set an intention for your practice. If you have an intention that you're working with currently, maybe you're using that one today. Or if you'd like, you might use, I cultivate peace in my heart, or I prepare myself for deeper relaxation. Whatever resonates with you, choose a seed of intention. And when you have it, mentally repeat it to yourself in a whisper, letting your body receive the intention, opening your heart and your mind to this intention. Now, moving your consciousness over your body. As I say each part of your body, relax that part of your body. Imagine it's melting, softening, liquefying. Move your awareness to your right hand, relaxing the right thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth, fifth finger, the back of the right hand, right palm, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, right side of your waist, right hip, thigh, knee, shin, ankle, ankle, top of your right foot, sole of your right foot, right big toe, second toe, third, fourth, fifth toe. All of the toes releasing, softening. Become aware of your left hand, your left thumb relaxing, second finger, third, fourth, fifth finger, the back of your left hand, center of your left palm, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, left side waist, hip, thigh, knee, shin, ankle, top of the left foot, sole of the left foot, left big toe, second toe, third, fourth, fifth toe. All of the toes releasing and relaxing. Become aware of the back of your body melting, your lower back, middle back, upper back, the space between the shoulder blades, the top of the shoulders, the back of your neck, back of your head, top of the head, the forehead spreading, softening, the temples, sides of the head, the eyebrows, the space between the eyebrows, the right eyeball sinking, the left eyeball relaxing, the right ear, the left ear, the right cheek, left cheek, the bridge of your nose, the right nostril, the left nostril, the upper lip, the lower lip, the upper set of teeth, the lower set of teeth, the tongue, the back of your throat, the lower jaw, the neck, the throat, the right collarbone, the left collarbone, the right side chest, the left side chest, the upper belly, the lower belly, the navel center, notice the breath moving in and out of your belly, the belly rising with each of your inhalations. It falls back down with each of your exhalations. breath descends down towards your belly, you start to feel your body becoming more and more relaxed, becoming more and more free of the inner mind. Free of any tension from your body. You can feel the right side of your body getting heavier, releasing. With your exhalations, the left side of your body releasing, getting heavier. The front of your body sinks towards the back of your body. It's as if the skin of your body is spreading, and the force of gravity is weighing it down towards the back skin and the surface that you're on. All of the muscles are responding to this relaxation. All of your bones are becoming heavier. It feels as if your body is making a depression into the ground below you. You can feel your breath traveling from your belly to your throat with each inhalation, and back down from the throat to the belly with each exhalation. Following your breath in this manner, letting your breath lead the way to relaxation, to freedom from your body. Just the flow of your breath exists. You're aware of every inhalation, aware of every exhalation, enjoying the breaths as they come and go. Return your attention back to your body. Deepening your breath. Awaken your body, wiggling fingers and toes, stretching your body. Bring your hands over your heart, taking a moment to appreciate the time you've taken to go inward, an act of love and self-care. Breathing in fully, exhaling completely. Namaste.